Hello! Thank you for clicking, and this is Roselle Galano, and welcome sa aking channel. So today, not just today, so kasi dahil dito na naman sa Omicron, issue ng Omicron, COVID, hindi na naman makalabas ng tao, wala na namang privacy kasi ang mga bata, alaga, andito sa bahay, mga taong bahay. So, ngayon, hindi makapag-vlog ng maayos. So, ewan kung hanggang kailan tayo ganito na naman. So, ang aking alaga, so today's vlog, ang aking alaga, i-feature ko na nga lang. Magagawa daw siya ng jelly. So, here we go!
Hello everybody, today we're gonna make some jelly today because I really want to make jelly. We didn't make a jelly for a long time, so I did it. And we need the scissors for the cutting. Now, cut open this, Roselle. No, not like that.
I was just shaking it. Here we go, my majesty.
Okay, now let's pour in all of it since I want lots of jelly, okay? It's just sugar. You have to melt it. That's a lot of jelly. I'm gonna throw this in a bin. Now I need a spoon since water is coming. Whoa! Now let's just stir it. This is hot water. After when we're finished, make sure to put it in the fridge. Put it in the cups and don't let it all fall because it will be not good. It's not ready yet. Don't ever be distracted with this drink. Okay, it's not ready to eat yet.
Is it dissolved?
Not yet. And then it will make lots and lots.
Cold water.
You need cold water for dissolve. Rafa, can you get me some cold water, please?
Already 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup of cold water. And then stir it until it's completely dissolved, the jelly, okay? Is it normal? Did you feel anything? Oh yeah, it's okay. Now we need to put it here.
Don't let it too tiny, okay? Make it full with the jelly. Full it. Fill. Until it gets all rise to the top. Okay? I think that's good. Now let's do this one.
Wait, be careful.
And the jelly is gonna go right inside the fridge when we're done with all of them. Okay? Now, we twist them together so they're gonna be good. So I can get them. Now, we have this much jelly. So we're gonna fill it up with all of the jelly. So, wait.
Okay. You can put it here. Next layer. And then one more.
Until everything is all good. Making jelly? Yeah. Having a video. There's my sister. She was just looking at us. Not too much. Is that enough? One more is it?
Okay.
And this were our little times. Not to drink it. Don't drink it if you didn't finish it.
Tiny. Don't waste it. Waste it.
Okay.
Now,
This is
pour
gonna
it up.
be tiny full. This is gonna be tiny, so for baby kids, okay, baby.
Okay. How many layers we have? Can you count?
1, 2,
It's
3,
5.
4, 5. 5.
5.
Wait.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, this is
that's
the cover.
That's the cover. Only 5 layers. This is the cover.
Okay. Now, can you say goodbye now?
Bye bye. And subscribe to my channel.
Oh, don't shake it.
Subscribe, not to what did you
And goodbye. Bye bye.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify pa kayo sa kung gusto nyo pa ng mas maraming video from me. And yeah, don't forget to like too. Bye! See you on my next vlog.